Okay, the purpose of this video is to aware lahat ng mga gusto magpagawa ng ng bahay, no, real estate. Yung design, pwede nyo i-copy, pwede nyo gayahin yung design nila kung impressive o attractive sa inyo. At least you have the idea kasi it's Italy. Right? Now, let's do the house tour. Okay, so you have porch over here. And then sitting space, you have garden. I think this property has a land area of about mga 800 square meters corner lot. Okay, so meron ka ditong automatic. Okay, I think dito ako pinapadaan. Go. Okay, go. Let's go, Commando. Let's go, Benji. Hello, attorney. Ayan. May kasama tayo nga. Wow, okay. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-lounge area. So ayan, bright and light. Of course, you have the bar, sitting space. Okay, look at the ceiling design. So simple lang pero meron siyang something design. Alright, so tingnan natin yung room. And then right here you have that bedrooms. Okay, so tingnan natin dito, guys. Okay. So I think this is the dining area. Look, okay, so okay, this is the dining area. Okay, so we have free breakfast. Right, so simple lang yung kanilang handaan talaga, no? Okay. Alright, so it's fun naman kasi it's our first time dito sa Europe. Pero nagpapasalamat po ako dahil sa ating mga avid fan na bumili sa atin ng property. Okay, so ito, you can imitate the same, no? Set up. So once you have a building and then a commercial building as well. Okay. So tingnan natin kasi may elevator po ito. Then you have the bathroom space here and then something like that. Alright, yung mga kasama ko medyo maingay po sila, attorney, ano? Okay. Alright. Ma'am, naiwakwak dere, naajod.
Na-experience daghan.
Ang saba. Yes po, alika.
Ginawakan din siya. Hindi mo nabasa yun.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
I have to wear this inside. It's cold outside.
Hindi, kaya pa naman. Okay, ito yung pinaka-room. This is the hallway.
Yeah.
Sabi nila nakakatakot daw, I think. Oo nga.
Ken!
Pero ayan po. Pag may ilaw na siya, I think yan sa aking room na yan.
Ito yung room mo?
Oo. Doon kayo.
Dito.
Right, so medyo magulo na yung room. So, pasensya na kayo kasi.
Can I get inside?
Sure.
Ayaw ko saluhin itong anak ko.
Alright, so yun yung bathroom. Mas maganda doon sa Zurich, no? Maganda yung room doon. Okay. So, ayun, iniwan ko.
Hotel dito, hindi.
Oh, yeah. So, simple lang siya. Medyo ganito po. Anyway, dito po ako natulog. Tapos, dito sa side na to, nandito yung tumapik sa akin. Dito. Hanggang di ako nakagalaw. My God. Anyway, pero in Jesus' name, wala sila, no to know sila, matakot sila kay Jesus. Okay? Anyway, so quick tour. Anyway, the purpose of this video is to update. Ayan. Pwedeng gayahin yung design and then the wall designs, the wall paints. Oh, look. Pero ayoko ng ganitong wall. Gusto ko medyo plain lang. Kasi medyo may mga texture siya. Plain white. Para walang mga shadow. Ang lamig dito, guys. Sobrang lamig, oh. Oh no. Ayan guys. Wala akong ano ngayon. Oh, may photo pa. Merry Christmas everyone. Ito White Christmas. Grabe. Sobrang lamig, ah. Negative.